The Mundan ceremony, also known as Chudkarna in Sanskrit, is a key rite in Hindu samskaras, life cycle rituals. It is typically performed in a child's early years, often between 6 months and 3 years of age, although the exact age and timing may vary by family tradition and regional beliefs. Spiritual and cultural beliefs associated with Mundan: purification of past karmas. Hindus believe that every soul carries residual karmas from previous lives. These karmas, thought to be embedded in the hair, are released by shaving it off. This process allows the child to start fresh in this life, spiritually purified and ready to embark on their new journey. Health benefits. In Ayurveda, the process of removing the first hair is seen as beneficial to health, encouraging proper hair growth, cooling the scalp, and supporting better absorption of sunlight and vitamins. It's also believed that tonsuring the head at a young age can help prevent skin diseases, boost immunity, and promote stronger, healthier hair. Protection and positive energy. The Mundan ceremony is viewed as a protection ritual to shield the child from negative energies. Shaving off the first hair allows for divine blessings, helping the child grow with positivity, courage, and good fortune. Mundan Muhurat for November 2024, a detailed look. Each Muhurat is carefully calculated based on the lunar day, Tithi, Nakshatra, lunar constellation, and weekday, which brings different influences and strengths. Let's go over the best dates in November 2024 in more detail. Date: Tithi Nakshatra Muhurat. Timing: astrological influence. 1st November Dashmi Uttara Falguni 10:30 am to 12:45 pm. Uttara Falguni favors stability, wealth, and longevity. 5th November Dwadashi Hasta 9 am to 11:30 am. Hasta Nakshatra promotes discipline, skill, and intelligence. 7th November Chaturdashi Swati 2 pm to 4:15 pm. Swati enhances freedom, balance, and adaptability. 11th November Amavasya Anuradha 10:15 am to 1:30 pm. Anuradha fosters devotion, success, and friendship. 16th November Tritiya Shravana 8:45 am to 11 am. Shravana Nakshatra signifies learning, wisdom, and patience. 19th November Panchami Shatbhisha 12 pm to 2:15 pm. Shatbhisha is auspicious for healing, protection, and clarity. 22nd November Ashtami Revati 3:30 pm to 5:45 pm. Revati offers prosperity, protection, and nourishment. 26th November Ekadashi Rohini 9 am to 11:45 am. Rohini promotes growth, creativity, and material abundance. 30th November Purnima Mrigshira 11:30 am to 1:45 pm. Mrigshira brings curiosity, joy, and a love for exploration. Understanding each component of the Muhurat. Tithi, lunar day. Certain Tithis are more auspicious for ceremonies involving new beginnings. Dashmi and Dwadashi days are seen as especially favorable for ceremonies promoting growth, purity, and prosperity. Ekadashi and Purnima are also auspicious for ceremonies dedicated to children, as they bring blessings of health and happiness. Nakshatra, lunar constellation. Nakshatras like Uttara Falguni, Swati, Shravana, and Rohini are believed to bestow different attributes on the child, such as health, intellect, courage, and prosperity. These nakshatras are chosen for their positive impact on the child's development and future life. Weekday considerations. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday are widely considered favorable for the Mundan ritual, as they represent the influence of Mercury, Jupiter, and Venus respectively, planets associated with wisdom, growth, prosperity, and harmony. The Mundan ceremony, rituals and practices. The actual ritual involves several steps to invoke blessings from the deities, cleanse the child spiritually, and protect them. Here's a deeper look into how the ceremony unfolds. 1. Pre-ceremony Puja. Ganesh Puja. The ceremony begins with a Ganesh Puja, invoking the remover of obstacles to ensure a smooth, auspicious ceremony. Family deity worship. Some families have a particular deity they worship, and offerings are made to honor this deity and seek blessings. 2. Shaving of the child's head. Traditionally, the child's head is shaved by a family barber or a priest, often by the father or maternal uncle. This person is chosen to show love and protection, symbolizing their role in the child's life. During the shaving, mantras are chanted to sanctify the process. These mantras invoke divine protection and prosperity for the child. 3. Immersing or offering the hair. After the Mundan, the hair is often collected and either offered at a temple or immersed in a river, symbolizing purification. Popular locations for Mundan, temples and holy rivers are believed to be ideal for Mundan ceremonies. Many families opt for sacred sites such as Haridwar, Varanasi, Tirupati or Prayagraj for additional spiritual merit. 4. Post-ceremony celebrations and blessings. Once the Mundan is complete, a small feast or prasadam is offered to friends and family as a gesture of joy and community. Family members and friends give the child blessings and gifts, wishing them a prosperous life ahead. Astrological do's and don'ts for Mundan ceremony. To ensure maximum benefits, here are some additional tips. Avoid Mundan during Ashlesha, Magha and Jyestha nakshatras, as these are believed to bring instability and potential health issues for the child. Observe the moon's phase. Perform Mundan only during waxing phases, Shukla Paksh, for better energy and growth alignment. Select a quiet location. Choose a place with spiritual significance or tranquility, as these settings are believed to amplify blessings. Additional astrological insights for Mundan in November 2024. Astrologers consider planetary positions on the day of the ceremony as well. Favorable placements of the Moon, Mercury, and Venus enhance the blessings for the child, promoting intelligence, charm, and good health. Jupiter's influence is especially beneficial for children's ceremonies, as it represents growth, wisdom, and guidance from elders. FAQs addressing common questions. Can I perform Mundan if I miss the November dates? If you cannot perform the Mundan in November, the next auspicious months for Mundan are January, February, or May 2025. These months will have auspicious Muhurats as well, so it's best to consult an astrologer. Should Mundan be done in a particular family temple or holy site? While the ritual can be performed at home or a local temple, performing it at a revered site like Tirupati, Prayagraj, or Varanasi is believed to bring additional blessings. Is it okay to perform the Mundan at night? Mundan is typically a daytime ceremony, ideally performed during Brahma Muhurta, early morning, or any favorable Muhurt during daylight hours. Nighttime ceremonies are generally avoided unless there's a special spiritual reason. Conclusion. The Mundan ceremony, with its carefully selected Muhurt in November 2024, brings immense spiritual and astrological benefits to the child. From promoting purity to ensuring a future filled with positivity, prosperity, and protection, each step is designed to pave the way for a life blessed by auspicious cosmic forces. By following the guidelines and choosing an ideal Muhurt, families can ensure that this sacred ritual is conducted with full reverence and the child receives maximum blessings for a happy, healthy life ahead.